Welcome back into the channel. Ooh, baby. Y'all already know what it is, dog. We out here in Superior, Wisconsin, and it is a hell job, I tell you that much. But we here, about to get unloaded in line. Went through some snow, drove through some snow. It started to snow, it stopped, started back. So I hate this damn toboggan, bro. Y'all see, man. So he just told us we gotta pull around to the other side. So let's get over there and then we can start unscrapping, man. Show y'all what we got and shit. If y'all can see, he having a hard time with them scraps and all that because they froze. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta go over here and do that shit on the other side. Need these droppers to get out the way real quick. That bad, man. There's a lot of damn snow, man. They got hit with that snowstorm Thursday night, and I came into it Friday. I didn't even drive it. No, they got hit Thursday night or Friday night. Yeah, it was Friday night. I think it was. So we playing catch up with it on a Monday where we was down there. I didn't record none because I didn't want to start the video or none of that shit. So y'all already know how that goes sometimes, man. So we just driving around the yard now. We gotta pull around this side. Ain't that bad, man. They ready to get my hands cold, man. You know what I'm saying? I had a feeling that they was gonna put it on this side whenever I looked at the map and I seen how it was set up. They probably gonna have us over there on that side anyway, but it's all good. Damn, that's a lot of stuff they got pushed up back here. But that's what we signed up for. Y'all probably think I'm weird, but I like challenges, man. I like being challenged. I like the concept of it, to work hard, to fight through, and know that it's possible to do, you know. So no motivational speaker, it's just something I like to do, man. I enjoy it every what you call set out or spectrum of truck driving, man. It's everything you sign up for, bro. And that's what I signed up for, is to be in conditions like this and work through them and just show, you know what I'm saying, that it can be done. A lot of people try to make it seem like it's hard to do and you can't drive in this stuff and you can't work in it and it slows down your process, which it probably slow it down just a tad bit, but you know what I'm saying, if you got a little bit of work ethic in you and you want to try to move fast and stay warm, you know what I'm saying, this is something that you would sign up for. Every now and then you have to hop back in because right now it's 4 degrees. When I started out this morning, it was negative, what was it, like -6 or something like that. So it's warming up, as you can say. We good?
It's not gonna fuel it. Get you out of here.
Yes, sir. So what I got is shingles. Y'all already know how shingles go. Some of y'all don't. It's roof toppings. You know what I'm saying? Things that people knock on your door and try to resell you after a storm and things of that nature. So we're gonna get them right there all rolled up and put away. We got all brand new scraps, so hopefully when we get them back under the bunk where it's a little bit warmer, they crack down and break down and stuff. So we got a lot of ice around the trailer, so we gotta beat all that loose. So check in with y'all here in a little bit though. We done made it to our next drop, to our next pickup. I seen us get unloaded. Well, I lost the footage already. I ain't even started recording. It's been a while since I did that, but we have made it a little bit south to outside of Minneapolis, which I would call it Minneapolis. So I'm gonna show y'all what we got. We got the same thing we had earlier. Truck nasty, y'all see it. Ugh, dirty. This is a temp truck, so if y'all see me in something different later on, that's the reason why. But we got the same stuff, shingles again. So I had a hard time putting up those edge protectors. We got to get up there and get them right back down again. So same thing, you know what I'm saying? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 pallets. So that means we got to throw 2 extra scraps, so it'd be 10 scraps total. This snow is thick as crap, as y'all can see. Get off our boots. And oh, they got my scraps rolled up. I cut the bunk heat on, well, the heat on, so it can throw out a little bit. But yeah, that's all we got. Same thing, same simple. So I'm gonna throw my scraps, get everything lined up so we can get this load taken care of. It's pretty cold out here. I don't even know if the phone gonna stay on while I'm out here, but we'll give it a shot. Yeah, that's it. Oh God, my hands are froze. So we actually gotta tighten down these boards real quick because this one came out, so we gotta redo that. We didn't make it far. We drove about 50 miles down. Stopped and took a shower real quick. Couldn't even take a shower. Now we're about to head over to South Dakota and hopefully try to get this load off in the morning though, not tonight. Throw that water up. Get unloaded in the morning, and we're gonna pick up there and go down to Nebraska, back to Nebraska. So yeah, man, it'll start snowing again, so it's prepared to snow again. Hopefully we drive through it. A little snowstorm just came in and shit, but hey, what it is? Catch up with y'all here in a little bit though, you know what I'm talking about? for 9 o'clock. So after my 9 o'clock appointment, they'll start unloading. There'll be in meetings and everything of that nature. So we just played a waiting game. I got here at 8 o'clock. It took me like 30 minutes. Well, about 8:15. It'll take you know what I'm saying? It's cold out there, man. My damn hands hurt. Take all the scraps off, air protectors, get them put up, scraps rolled up, put away. So it's 8:33 now, so I guess we can do our paperwork and stuff while we wait. And we got another load that's picking up somewhere around here. I want to say it's like 5 miles away. But wherever it's at, it's not showing any deadhead miles. So apparently it's inside the zip code or where we at. Pick that up and take it down to Valley, Nebraska. So it's like 170 some miles. And then I think I gotta go by the yard, get my truck looked at. I think I got a bad fuel or bad injector, one or two, but the truck running real rough. Like when you own it, that motherfucker, it's bad. So we gonna post up, do some paperwork, man, and probably show y'all my next load, get that off, and when I make it to the yard, and we'll see how I go from there, if they put me in another truck or if they can fix it today. So I'll check back in with y'all here later. It's been a little minute since I tapped in, so we done got our preloaded trailer. We got those little generator motors off, so we picked them at the same place. My trailer was back here inside the door, so I had to come back here and get it out, scrapped, and then we pulled in front of this door over here. Then this truck running terrible. Pull in front of this door right here, and they will open the door and assist me with my tarping. So $100 for tarping. So yeah, I told her to find me a tarp load with at least like 800 miles. So we gotta stop by the yard first. Cooking me some noodle rolls. You know what I'm talking about? So cooking some noodles. Warming up my chicken I had. Well, they had a whole bird for $5 yesterday. So I grabbed that for sure. Well, we here at the yard. Fuel filters, change fuel filters, and they're going to flush the injectors to see if that clears up the shakiness. We got to get that sorted out. I got a load going down to Lubbock. But for now, we are here, posted up. So I don't know. So we just here now. So till we get that fixed, I guess we'll be here. So yeah, man, that's it for this video, I guess, man. I got the time, I'm about to edit this video and see how far I get with the editing on it, and then we just chilling until we get that taken care of. So until next video, man, y'all be safe. You know what I'm saying? Call somebody, tell them you love them, man. You know what I'm saying? Be respectful. Respect everything around you, you know what I'm saying? So y'all know how that go, man. Y'all be safe, bro.